Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to record macro for automatic work in Google Sheets document. So let's started. At first open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show record macro for automatic work. Now going to the extension option, now click for a macros option. Then click for a record macro. Then we show already record, then record from a, now select from a table, now click for a bold option, then choose color, from add color, now going to the fill color option, then choose color. That is, now select from a raw, now then click for a save record. Now for click, then record name, save. That is, then I show record from a edit escape. Now click for close, then apply from automatic work another place. Now click for a sheet 2, then going to the extension option, then click for a record macros. Now click for a sheet record 1. Now for click, then click for a OK, then click for a Gmail. Now click for allow option. That is, then we show automatic macro record work in Google Sheets document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.